Your headache may be a sign of ill health. Don't ignore it. Do you know that headache can be the first symptom of a deadly disease? Whether it's just a tension headache or your sinuses problem, never ignore your headache. Most of the time you are going to get a tension headache, a sinus headache or a migraine. These usually come with a dull pain and build slowly. But some headaches can be signs of a stroke, an aneurysm, a brain tumor or bleeding in the brain. In rare cases, they can even mean your arteries and veins aren't connected properly. If you get a sudden headache and the pain is excruciating, then it's a thunderclap headache. They are usually at their worst after 60 seconds and are often a sign of bleeding on the brain. If you get headache after exercise or sex, it could be alarming. These might be symptoms of a brain tumor or an aneurysm. Consult your doctor ASAP. A serious headache can also slur speech or blur your vision. They may also cause balancing troubles, confusion, or memory loss, which are also signs of a stroke. An extreme one needs medical attention. If you start getting headaches when you are over 55, it is alarming. If you've never had headaches before or are getting different headaches than you are used to, talk to a doctor. If you get headache after a head injury, it's likely a concussion which can lead to brain damage if you don't get treatment. Sometimes a headache can last for over 24 hours, but if you find it getting worse after that long, it's time to call the doctor. If your headache is centered on one eye, that's called a cluster headache. The affected eye often goes red. These can be sign of a brain tumor or an aneurysm. Cluster headaches are also linked to nausea and vomiting. If you also have a severely stiff neck or a fever, it could be meningitis. If you have a history of cancer, be careful when you get a new kind of headache. Sadly, this new headache may be warning you about a brain tumor. Tension headache is most common type of headache, affecting as many 90% of people at same point in their life. It's caused by tightness in the muscles of the scalp and the back of the neck. Migraine. Often mistaken for a tension or sinus headache, a migraine is a neurological condition caused by an overreactive switch in the brain stem. Sinus. It's not so common because most people who think they have one actually have a migraine. Don't ignore it till the things get worse. Quick action will benefit you. Cluster. Rare, it affects 0.1% of the people, more commonly men. Because it tends to occur at the same time every day, doctors suspect the hypothalamus, the part of the brain that controls the body clock, is involved. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.